Hello everyone. Tonight we are going to make, I am going to make roasted chicken, and I'm going to make mine first because I love it. I love the sweet basil oil. It's very sweet because it's called sweet basil. And so I'm just going to drizzle a little bit on there, as much as I like. And then I'll put this down. I'll take a little bit of the rosemary, basil, and thyme, and I'll put one teaspoon, almost the exact same thing. And I'll pour it into my hand, like that. Put that down. Just sprinkle it around. And then after this, I'll put the salt on. Right, and then now I mix it together.
Why do you mix it? Do you know?
Because then the herb blend gets wet and it doesn't burn when you cook it.
Good idea.
And also the reason that this is very close to the stuff I like is because that's my mom's chicken and this is my chicken. Hello, so it's also good to put some in the inside. I'm just going to do it this way because then it gives the inside more flavor and it will mix in. And then once it mixes in, then you get a good flavoring chicken. Alright, okay, so we're done with my chicken. Not cooked yet, of course. And this is my mom, my dad's, and my brother Steven's. And so I'm going to put 2 tablespoons
Yep.
of the roast.
Do you want to do the oil first, or do you want to do the...
I'll do the oil first. How about that's better. It's Tuscan herb oil.
That's a good one.
Yeah, it's a good one. And I'm just going to drizzle it on.
Perfect.
And then I'm going to put some of this on. 2 tablespoons.
What herb blend is that?
This is the roasted garlic and chive.
Yummy. That's a nice little tip you got there to shake it evenly. Good job.
Yes, and it's very easy to do it with this measuring spoon.
Awesome. We like our magnetic measuring trio,
Yes,
don't we?
I love it.
Awesome.
All right, now we have to do some garlic salt.
Garlic salt. You don't like the garlic salt as much as your brother does and your mom and your dad do, huh?
Yeah.
But we like it. It's good. Put lots of it. Good job.
Last bunch. All right. And that is my mom and dad's and my brother Steven's chicken. All right, so now we're done mixing and putting all the stuff on it. So now we're gonna bake it in the oven for 425 degrees heat, Fahrenheit, and it's gonna go for 45 minutes.
And then we're going to turn it down to 325, and we're going to do another 45 minutes, but we're going to check it after 30, make sure it doesn't overcook, with our digital thermometer, right?
Yeah.
All right.
All right, so now we are done baking our chicken, and I'd like to say bon appetit.